In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Odoo. To do this, first go and open up Odoo, just go to your account and open up your databases. From there, go to the database of the website that you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to, and then go to the website, store or blog, then click configuration at the top and select domain name. Now here select my website's ready if you haven't yet published it, and click use my own domain. Now here type in www. And then your domain name, for example for me danimakestutorials.live, and then you will need to do a few things. So first create a CNAME record for www pointing to whatever it says right here, so just copy what this says for you and then open up GoDaddy and go to the domain in the left menu and find the domain you want to connect. In the domain go to DNS and remove any records that you can remove and that you don't need. So I have two of them right here. Now there are also often some that you cannot delete, so for those you just need to keep them. But from there click add new record. For the type set it to CNAME, and for the name just gonna set it to www. Then here enter the value and click save. So the value is what we just copied. Now from there you have added the CNAME. Now what you can do is click verify. Now often it won't instantly work, in this case it does. So it says DNS configuration seems good, but it can take a few minutes for that to connect. Now what you can also do is if you want to use the naked domain, so yourdomain.com instead of www.yourdomain.com, you need to redirect yourdomain.com to www.yourdomain.com. So if you want to do that in GoDaddy, go to forwarding here under DNS, then under domain, click add forwarding. Then here type in www.yourdomain and then make it either permanent, temporary or forward with masking and click save. So that means that now your domain, which is just what you see here, will now redirect to the www.yourdomain. So now it can take a couple hours, even up to 48 hours for all of the DNS records to propagate, so just wait for that to finish. For now it will say your connection is not private. That's because it hasn't yet gotten the SSL certificate, but just gonna wait for this to finish and then you have connected your domain to your Odoo website. So now you know how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Odoo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.